For this project we use kite paper. This is a 100-sheet booklet of all different colors. If you wanted to make more stars, smaller but more, you would cut this into 4 pieces like this, but you would have to get your cuts nice and straight. You need 8 sheets of paper. And you can choose whichever colors. So I just went with this color scheme. There's my cat Willow. She wants to go out. It's snowy and cold and windy, but the sun is out. So that makes all the difference for her. My hands are being fumbly. You use kite paper because it has a wax finish and it is transparent. And you can substitute and use construction paper or other types of paper, maybe origami paper, and you would get a star, but you wouldn't get the transparency. So this is why we like the kite paper. And also you can use tissue paper, but it doesn't have the strength, and also when you stick it in your window, it doesn't, the color doesn't last. It's not archival and it washes out, and the color lasts a lot longer with these pieces, this kite paper. I don't know how long, but I'm told that you can reuse them the next year, and I don't know about how often after that. The star has 8 points. And the way I'm going to put these together, I'll just alternate colors. So green, red, white, and green, red, white. Or I may do, yeah, that's what I'll do. So once you have all your pieces of paper, I've got 2 over here, you get your points and you get your glue. You glue, the tips come together in the middle, and this lines up with the center line, and you're going to glue that down with your glue stick. So I was just testing it first so I knew where to put the glue. Tip to tip, and this along the center line. And then I burnish with my thumb. And I twist it, and I will get my green, and I'll put it in there just to see where the glue will go. So the glue kind of can go anywhere there on this side. Oh, it's quite sticky actually, this Elmer's glue stick. Seems appropriate. I don't know how long it will last in the window. Seems that this is what other people are using. I looked on the internet. I look at YouTube to find out how to do this myself. And there's lots of different star varieties that you can do. But this is a simple 3-color star. Oops. The page here. Boom. And this one, so maybe that goes under that one. Yeah, that's it. And then if you want to make sure these stick down, I think you've got to put some glue in there too. Oops. And some glue there, so that stays down. Go all the way around. Okay, and there is our star.